Good morning, friends. I'm Sureka, back with your social lesson 5 Weather and Climate of class 5. Students, do you know what is a weather? Weather means the condition of air, temperature, pressure, wind, humidity, and rainfall in the atmosphere at a given place of time. And also, weather changes suddenly. For example, a bright sunny morning may change into a rainy day within few hours. Changing weather gives rise to season, and as we know, in India we experience three different seasons, that is summer, winter and monsoon. On the other hand, climate refers to the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time. For example, Sahara Desert has a hot and dry climate, as been depicted in this map, showing different climatic regions of the world. You can experience cold in the polar zone, which has been represented with the light blue colors. Dark blue are represented with the deep water bodies in your map, and cold zone has been represented with purple color. Moderate zones having moderate climates is been represented with green, and subtropical zones with yellow, and tropical zones with red color on your map, outline map. But do you know that the climate in the Himalayan ranges is cool, whereas it is warm and humid in and around Chennai? This is what the climate is. But the variety of the life that exists on the earth is because of the climatic difference that are present in different regions, as we can see in our map. And the variety of animal species found on the earth varies according to the climatic conditions. For example, polar bears and penguins that are found in polar regions will not survive in equatorial regions. People also adapt themselves according to the climate of a place. The clothes they wear, the food they eat, the types of houses they live in are affected by the climate. हमारे जो क्लाइमेट्स होते हैं ये हमारे जीवन पे बहुत बड़ा असर डालते हैं। ये हमारे रहने, खाने, पहनने के तरीक़ों को चेंज कर देते हैं, अफेक्ट करते हैं। Not only this, the climate also affects the animal species. जानवरों की प्रजातियों को भी इफेक्ट करते हैं. Like example, polar bears and penguins, they are found in the polar regions, but they cannot survive in the equatorial region. Now let's study the various factors which determine the climate of a place. Our first factor is distance from the equator. Students, क्या आप जानते हैं कि अर्थ और सन में काफ़ी डिस्टेंस है, बट द अर्थ शेप इज not a round circle. It is like an orange. It is a spherical in shape, and when the sun rays falls, as you can see in your figure on the screen, that the sun's direct rays, it falls on the equator, and the slanting rays falls on the north and the south pole. This is because the shape of the earth, it is bulging in the center and it has curved shape on the edges. So now our earth is divided into three heat zones or the climate zones, that is torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. We'll go through it elaborately. You know, torrid zone, it lies between the equatorial regions, that is between the Tropic of Cancer in the north and Tropic of Capricorn in the south. इस एरिया में the sun's rays, it gets heat directly, and these regions are been precisely known by us by the continents or the countries like Brazil, Malaysia and Hawaii. On the other hand, the other heat temperature temperate zone is temperate zone, The area that lie between the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in the north and Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. This region has mild climate, neither very hot nor very cold. टेम्परेट जोन में टेम्परेचर बहुत हॉट भी नहीं होते हैं, बहुत कोल्ड भी नहीं होते हैं, जैसे कि टोराइड जोन में होते हैं. और दिस इज़ द मॉडरेट जोन. यहाँ ज़्यादा गर्मी नहीं, ज़्यादा ठंडी नहीं. और आपने हमारे नेक्स्ट जोन को देखिए. इट इज़ फ्रिजिड जोन, द एरिया बिटवीन द आर्टिक सर्कल and the North Pole in the north and between the Antarctic Circle and South Pole in the southern hemisphere. It receives very little heat from the sun. They are very cold and large part covered with snow throughout the year, and they are called the frigid zones. 3 टाइप्स के जोन्स आपने देखे हीट जोन्स. फर्स्ट इज टोराइड जोन, जहाँ पर काफ़ी गर्मी होती है, क्लाइमेट इज़ क्वाइट एक्सट्रीम, हॉट होती है. Second is temperate zone, where the climate is not very extreme, it has mild temperature. Third is frigid zone, the climate is been experienced to be very cold and large part is been covered with snow. And these are the 3 temperature or heat zones found on the earth. Okay, the next factor which determines the climate of a place is altitude. Altitude is the height above sea level. A place which is located at the same distance. अब जानते हैं किसी प्लेस को अगर इक्वेटर से सेम डिस्टेंस पे है तो उन दोनों प्लेसेस को सेम क्लाइमेट एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहिए, लेकिन नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. द रीज़न इज़ उसका एल्टीट्यूड, उसकी हाइट सी लेवल से उसकी दूरी डिपेंड करती है कि उसका टेम्परेचर कैसा होना चाहिए. लाइक प्लेस दैट विच आर एट हायर एल्टीट्यूड्स विल बी कूलर एंड द प्लेस विल बी लोअर एंड द टेम्परेचर विल बी लोअर. इसे हम बहुत आसानी से समझ सकते हैं. शिमला जो हिमाचल प्रदेश में है और फिरोज़पुर जो पंजाब में पाया जाता है, दोनों के एल्टीट्यूड सेम हैं, but you can see the Shimla is much cooler and it is at a higher altitude. The temperature decreases as the height of the land decreases. Our next factor is distance from the sea. The region which are near जो place जो sea body के पास होते हैं, जैसे ocean and seas, उनके एक्सपीरियंस होते हैं कि वहाँ के टेम्परेचर जो होते हैं मॉडरेट होते हैं. But this is because water heats up and cools down very slowly than land. हम आगे अपने एग्जाम्पल में दिल्ली एंड मुंबई दोनों को कंपेयर करते हैं. दिल्ली जो सी कोस्ट से काफ़ी दूर है और मुंबई जो सी कोस्ट के काफ़ी पास है. इन दोनों में हम कंपैरिजन करते हैं. दिल्ली गर्मियों में काफ़ी गर्म होती है, ठंडियों में काफ़ी ठंडी होती है. On the other hand, Mumbai is neither too hot and neither too cold in summers and winters. But do you know that areas far away from equator have a lower temperature? जैसे कि अभी हमने पढ़ा कि टेम्परेट जोन्स, हीट जोन्स, आपने अभी देखा टोराइड जोन जो इक्वेटर के पास में है, वहाँ पर आप हीट ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं क्योंकि सन रेज डायरेक्ट फॉल होती है. एंड मुंबई इज़ द प्लेस where which falls in the equatorial region. It falls in the torrid region, but still it is not experiencing too hot in summer and too cold in winters. This is because Mumbai is near the coastal areas, whereas Delhi is far away from the equator. But it is not so in Delhi. This is because Mumbai is near the sea coast and the cool air comes from the sea coast towards the land and makes its climate moderate, whereas Delhi has an extreme climate. Now, distance of the wind, directions of the wind is also another factor to affect the climate of a place. Winds When wind from the hot region blow, they increase the temperature of the place. Example, when the hot wind from Rajasthan blows, it raises the temperature of Delhi, whereas when winds from the cold places blow, they make the place cold. This is how we experience when rainfall in many parts of the country. They are being experienced during monsoon, when winds full of moisture begin to blow towards land from the sea. Humidity is also another factor for the climatic change. Humidity is the amount of moisture or water vapor present in the air. This we can very easily understood, try to understand ourselves with the help of this figure. You can see it's a greenhouse effect, and it can be seen experienced with the help of the sun rays. Sunlight penetrating the atmosphere warms earth's surface. Earth's surface radiates heat to the atmosphere, and some escapes into the space. Third point, greenhouse gases in the atmosphere absorb some of the heat and trap it near Earth's surface. Fourth, when greenhouse gases and heat builds up, ocean surface temperature rises and the temperature of the atmosphere increases. This is about the greenhouse effect, which we'll be studying in our further areas. As we were going through the humidity of a place, the humidity of the place depends upon the amount of moisture or water vapor present in the air. The air of over the equator is laden with the water vapor, as the heat of the sun causes rapid evaporation of the ocean's water. लाइक जितना ज़्यादा सन की किरण, सूरज की किरणें जिस एरिया पर पड़ेंगी, उस एरिया के वाटर का लेवल जो है वो कम होगा, बिकॉज द वाटर विल फॉर्म इनटू वेपर एंड इट विल गेट्स इवेपोरेटेड इन द atmosphere. On the other hand, deserts are formed in places where there is little humidity, so they receive very little rainfall throughout the year. In today's time, the weather and climatic phenomenon is changing along with the occurring of a large number of natural disasters like floods and landslides. बट आप जानते हैं किसी प्लेस की ह्यूमिडिटी जो होती है वो डिपेंड करती है सूरज की किरणों पर. जैसे कि इक्वेटर के आसपास के इलाके जो होते हैं, जो द एरियाज विच फॉल इन द इक्वेटोरियल रीजन्स आर हॉट एंड वेट बिकॉज द वाटर in the surrounding, it gets evaporated and it gets mixed with the atmospheric air. Whereas on the other hand, deserts, they have very little of humidity, so they receive very little of rainfall throughout the year. And इसी वजह से, लेकिन आजकल नाउ अ टाइम, ये क्लाइमेटिक फिनोमिनन एंड वेदर फिनोमिनन, ये सारी चीज़ें वो काफ़ी बदल चुकी हैं, काफ़ी परिवर्तन हो गया है हमारे नेचर में. और इसका एक मूल कारण नेचुरल डिज़ास्टर्स भी है, जैसे फ्लड्स एंड लैंडस्लाइड्स. और इन सब के पीछे ग्लोबल टेम्परेचर का हाथ है, जो हम मानवों को, इट इज़ अ मैन मेड एक्टिविटीज़ like burning fossil fuels, cutting down of trees, releasing harmful gases in the atmosphere gives rise to greenhouse effect. Like हमने अभी देखा ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट में कि कैसे हमारे पेड़ों को काटने से, हमारे फॉसिल फ्यूल्स को बर्न करने से और हार्मफुल गैसेस रिलीज़ करने से, फैक्ट्रीज से रिलीज़ हुई हार्मफुल गैसेस, गाड़ियों से निकली हुई हार्मफुल गैसेस, ये सारी चीज़ें मिक्स होती हैं हमारे एनवायरनमेंट में, हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर में मिक्स होती है, एंड इट क्रिएट्स अ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट सिचुएशन फॉर अस. And thus you can experience that The climate and weather phenomena is changing along with the occurring of a large number of natural disasters like floods and landslides. With this, we end up with our lesson weather and climate. If you like it, please press the like button, like it, subscribe it, and comment it on my mailbox. Thank you.